Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change ownership on WhatsApp channel. First, I open WhatsApp. Now, click on this update. Then you can see this is my channel. Now, again, click on the name icon. Then scroll down. You can see this person MD Abu Kalam is my channel admin. If I click on this name, then you can see transfer ownership. Just click on here again. If you click on dismiss yourself as admin, then you are disconnected to this channel. You are not owner, admin, and anything in this channel for now. So if I click on here, then click on continue. Now you need to type your phone number. Now click on transfer. Then it's wow, already invitation sent this person. If this person receive my invitation, they are owner in this group or in this channel. Now I am leave from this now. Well, so this is a method how we can change ownership on WhatsApp channel. So if you have guys uh, if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.